अनुष्का शर्मा और नील भोपलम की आने वाली फिल्म NH10 के चर्चे तो हर जगह हो रहे हैं और फिल्म की कास्ट भी फिल्म के प्रमोशंस के लिए कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ रही। और अब सबको इंतजार है 13 मार्च का, जिस दिन ये फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है। तो आइए जानते हैं हमारी मुंबई की जनता से कि वो इस फिल्म के बारे में क्या सोचती हैं। So have you seen the trailer of NH10?
Yes.
No. Yeah, I'm pretty convinced with the trailer also. I'm looking forward to watch it.
Yeah, I've seen.
Yes, I have seen it. I find it very interesting. Anushka Sharma is in a very new look.
तो कैसा लग रहा है ट्रेलर?
अच्छा है and अनुष्का भी अच्छी लग रही है. थोड़ा वायलेटेड है मूवी बट अच्छा है दो भी.
It's good, and I'm expecting that the movie is also good as per the trailer.
It will be new for audience.
Okay, have you heard any song?
No, not yet.
No.
No, not yet.
No, I haven't heard the songs yet.
No.
Anushka Sharma is there. What about the movie? What do you think of कहाँ तक जाएगी 100 to 100?
I have no clue about that. That depends on how the people like it or how the audience appreciates the movie.
I don't know 100 crores. If any movie can come up, then this is surely gonna get it then.
100-150 crores.
I know that it's her first production, so I really hope that it crosses 100 crores.
No, because I don't think this will cross 100 crore because it is not so much family entertaining.
आजकल फिल्मों में वायलेंट जो अब्यूजिंग वर्ड्स यूज किए जाते हैं, व्हाट डू थिंक अबाउट दैट? कि मतलब इज इट ओके फॉर यू गाइस, लाइक यूथ के लिए ठीक है या व्हाट डू थिंक अबाउट दैट?
It's okay. It's not that bad, but it's okay.
If you ask a person of my age, I will obviously be okay with that kind of stuff. But if you ask my parents, they'll say like, no, this movie is not good. The children should not watch it.
Yeah, I'm perfectly fine with it actually. It means there's no harm, and everyone has a right to speak. So it's like everyone can just use all those words, so it's fine.
It will be good for teenagers because teenagers are very keen of hearing the abusings and all.
According to the trailer, what do you think the movie will be hit, flop or average?
It would be average.
Maybe average.
Guessing average.
Yes, it will be a hit.
So have you seen the trailer of NH10?
Yeah, I have. It looks really nice.
Yeah, I did, but it was like quite long back.
Yeah, I've seen it.
सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा? What did you find the best part of the trailer?
The best part was they go on a highway and the fight between the Anushka with the rod and all. That was the best part.
I really liked it. I'm definitely going to watch the movie. No two doubts about it.
Yeah, it was quite interesting, but what I thought was it's really violent and how it's showing about what happens on these highways and some very dramatic and violent story.
It's good, but बहुत over है.
Okay, what do you think about the abusing words which is used in this movie?
It's fine, they are just portraying reality somewhere based on Haryana side, and we all know Haryanvi language कैसी होती है वहाँ पे. It's very common.
It's okay. She can use whichever language she wants. I mean, as long as it connects with the youth.
As far as it is related to the content, I feel that we should increase our maturity level and accept it. But कभी-कभी कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो जाता है. So I think कि until it is in the rule, it is okay.
It's fine if it's there.
Yeah, it's up to people. If they want to see those kind of films, they can go.
Okay, have you heard any song?
Yeah, Chil Gaye Naina.
Yeah, Chil Gaye Naina.
No, I haven't.
Okay, 100-200 crore clubs बहुत चल रहा है आजकल. What do you think कहाँ तक जाएगा?
डिफरेंट है तो बहुत लोग जाके नहीं देखेंगे, बट 100 तो पहुंचना चाहिए.
I have no clue about that, but it's definitely going to be a hit.
I feel that 200 crore taraf possible.
I don't think it will cross 100.
Okay, according to the trailer, what do you think the movie will be hit, flop or average?
I think it's going to be hit.
Obviously a hit.
It could be a hit.
It'll be a hit.
Have you seen the trailer of NH10?
Yeah, I've seen.
Yeah, I've seen the trailer.
Yes, I have seen the trailer of NH10.
No, not yet.
How did you find the trailer?
The trailer was quite interesting.
Well, it comes at your face for starters. It's a nice thing. It captures your imagination and it stays back in your memory. So nice.
The trailer is really superb. The road journey which is shown in that movie is really nice.
इस मूवी में भी काफी abusing words use किए गए हैं. What do you think about that? Is it okay if you're using these words on the camera?
Yeah, for me it's okay.
See, these words are now becoming very common in all the shows and all the movies. So I don't think it's a big deal anymore. So it's okay, fine.
Have you heard any song of this movie?
No, not right.
No. Only the first trailer.
No, not yet.
Okay, 100-200 crore ये क्लब बहुत चल रहा है आजकल.
हाँ.
कोई भी मूवी 100 crore का लेके क्रॉस. What do you think about this movie?
Maybe just above 100 crore. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं.
50 to 60 crores.
I think it will cross 100 crore. 100-200 crores के बीच में it will be.
According to the trailer, what do you think the movie will be hit, flop or average?
It will be a hit film.
It should be average or above average, not very good.
Average movie, I think, according to me.
Yes, it's gonna be hit for sure.
Yeah, it's gonna be hit. I feel so.
एनएस टेन का ट्रेलर देखा है आपने?
जी देखा है.
Oh yeah, I've seen.
Yeah.
Yes, I've seen.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, I have. It looks really nice.
कैसा लगा ट्रेलर?
बहुत अच्छा ट्रेलर है.
The trailer was amazing.
Nice.
I feel it's going to be a great movie.
सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा आपको ट्रेलर में? एक्टिंग अनुष्का की, नील
जी अनुष्का शर्मा की बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग है इस फिल्म में.
Acting is awesome.
That was great. Because of Anushka Sharma, we're expecting so more things from her.
गाने सुने हैं आपने?
जी गाने भी बहुत हिट.
Yeah, but I don't remember right now.
100-200 करोड़ का क्लब बहुत चल रहा है आजकल. कोई भी मूवी हो लेकिन 100 क्रॉस.
100 तो क्रॉस कर लेगी.
It should cross 100 crores easily.
150 crores, 200.
More than 100, I think.
I think 50 to 70 because it's not for the mass, so that's why.
Yeah, around 70-80.
ट्रेलर के हिसाब से आपको क्या लगता है? मूवी हिट होगी, फ्लॉप होगी, एवरेज होगी?
मूवी हिट जाने वाली है.
Average.
I think it will be a super hit.
It'll be a hit.